Hi, Vikas Singh from IBM Software Group. Today we have Mr. Vijay Krishna from Hindustan Motors who will be talking to us about his SAP landscape and why he chose IBM for his SAP implementation and upgrade. And we would also want to hear from him on what is the benefit that he accrued by moving to IBM DB2 and how did he optimize his SAP environment using IBM tools and technologies. So good afternoon, Mr. Krishna. Good to have you here. It was such a pleasure to have you for our IBM Break Free event.
Basically, our decision when we are taking about SAP upgrade, we have been considering all the products like for hardware HP, Sun, IBM. Similarly, for database, we have been looking for Oracle, SQL Server, and DB2. The question to answer the specific why we chosen IBM, we as a company we had a long association with IBM. So that is one of the influencing thing. Then when we actually see the hardware performance, we actually know very well that IBM by a large distance takes both the other competitors as far as hardware. But when we are going for that database, SAP actually recommends DB2. That is we are to be very honest. SAP recommends DB2. SAP commits that on behalf of IBM. Anything related to database, SAP is a single point of contact. We don't have to worry about the vendor. Earlier we used to have a trouble of chasing the vendors for the database. Then also we know that DB2 is the only database in the planet which is optimized, configured only for SAP. That is those things. Similarly, the other thing is we are all business users at the end of the day. We are not the technical, even though we work in IT department, I would say. So we thought of reduced cost of SAP DBA because that everything is optimized, and touchwood for the past 3 years we have not even tried anything about going to the database level. We only see everything from the SAP view. We have not even gone to the database level. That is one of the interesting thing. The other thing is whatever the resources we had. So to get that optimal utilization of that by compression and scalability and all, those are the factors. These are the reasons I would say we chosen for DB2 as a database for our SAP landscape. Once we had taken the business decision of going to DB2, the biggest challenge is migrating to the database. That actually when we actually started doing the job, we found that our existing resources in our HP server is very inadequate. Okay, so because of that, it's a great challenge of migrating to database of the new infrastructure. Then IBM came up with a quick solution like going as a NFS, as a network file system, to mount export the data directly to the new boxes instead of traditional way of downloading it to the same box. But we were worried actually because originally we planned of having a migration within 40 to 48 hours. That is Friday evening 5 o'clock to Monday morning 9 o'clock. That was the original plan. But we are a bit scared. But touchwood, we are able to complete even after this network file system migration. The whole thing has been completed well before 12 hours before that we have the actual original plan time. Then we took coolly for 3 hours, offline backup, all those things. Then we released the database application to the users. Even after 3 years, I should say, particularly I want to thank IBM Migration Services team for excellent job, because the challenges it's been put by us because of the lack of infrastructure and all. But IBM took that challenge on head, and we are able to complete well within the downtime hours, and we released that servers to users. And actually, when they came back on Monday morning, the users are able to see the visible difference. The queries what they ran on Friday evening, it's running totally in a different way on a very high speed, and performance is very great. And also we found that 40% compression we are able to save the space. Whatever the database size earlier, it has come down by 40%. That also improved in our overall performance of running the queries and all those things. So people are happy, and for the past 3 years, touchwood, we don't have any major challenges or anything. We are very happy about the decision what we have taken. We have no regrets. At Hindustan Motors, our landscape, to just explain about SAP landscape, we run our SAP servers in IBM P6 series, P520 to be precise model. That is it's running in a production server. Another identical box, which is actually runs as a, we have a virtualization implemented there, LPAR and all. Using that, we are having a SAP failover service and also quality, SAP quality, SAP development, SAP solution manager servers. And touch wood, because of the excellent IBM hardware, we never faced the failover. So just to utilize that resource, we are running a Tivoli storage manager, which is we are using for a backup in that instance actually. This particular thing is related to SAP hardware, and we have two more X series boxes apart from the P series, where we are running our VMware applications, which is for predominantly for our intranet, our antivirus, and other infrastructure servers, non-SAP basically. And we have a common storage for all these put together, infrastructure covered by IBM SAN storages, whereby our SAP production server, our quality development, and although database, and also VMware data, even our Lotus Domino earlier used to be. Now we are in Lotus iNotes Live as a cloud-based mail offering from IBM. All those infrastructure data resides in the same storage. We are having IBM library, tape library for taking a database backup for this automated backup, and all put together in a single rack. And when we are actually measured our SAP SAPs from this particular offering, we came to know that we need around 3,300 SAPs. But since the previous experience with HP rather, and the lack of resources, we thought of sizing it properly this time as sustainable and also scalable for the future. But IBM refused to give 3,300, but they gave 8,800 SAPs because they don't have a lower end model at the time. So whatever the negotiation we are able to, the actual resources what we are, it's a bit oversized. Because of the technology they have and our resources, our requirement was a bit lower comparatively. So we are very happy to take that, grab that opportunity, and the SAPs that we have is more than sufficient, and we are able to sustain, survey and successfully running for past 3 years now.
Thank you for taking your time out. This is indeed a pleasure, and we look forward to definitely meeting you again and again, and perhaps giving you more options on IBM.